today I'm very happy that the mayor made a right decision, closing the schools, because there was no way I could get to school today with my car buried in about 20 inches of snow.
Well, the snow brings out the best in people sometimes. So we're helping each other out.
I am sick of this. I am sick of this. This is enough now. We've had enough. You feel like a wreck now. So...
Hey, Mayor Mike, when a head's going to fall? For the last time, sanitation did nothing. I don't see anyone getting fired. I don't see anyone losing their jobs. But we need to clean up the snow, right? Good job, Mayor Mike.
It is January. It is New York. It is winter. Oh. We'll get there.